Once there was a simple plumber named Mike who worked hard to provide for his family. He had a passion for fixing things and enjoyed helping people whenever he could. Despite not having a college degree or any formal business education, Mike always had an entrepreneurial spirit and dreamed of starting his own plumbing company. One day, a major plumbing problem occurred in his neighborhood which affected several homes. Mike quickly took charge and worked tirelessly to fix the issue. He went above and beyond to ensure his customers were satisfied, and they were impressed with his professionalism and expertise. Word quickly spread about his exceptional services, and soon, Mike found himself flooded with more work than he could handle. He decided to take the leap and start his own plumbing company. Starting from scratch was not easy, but Mike put all his energy and passion into building his business. He worked tirelessly, constantly pushing himself to improve and expand his services. His perseverance paid off, and soon, his company became one of the most sought-after plumbing services in the region. With his unwavering commitment to excellence and customer satisfaction, Mike's company grew rapidly, diversifying and expanding to offer a range of services beyond plumbing. Today, Mike is the CEO of a successful and growing company with a loyal customer base and a motivated team of employees. Mike's story serves as an inspiration to us all. It reminds us that success is not determined by our educational background or financial status. What truly matters is our passion and dedication towards our goals. With hard work, perseverance,